Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this mauve soft smoky liner look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also I will be announcing the month of February's giveaway winner. So if you guys want to hear who won last month's giveaway, then just go ahead and stay tuned till the end of the video. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with some translucent powder. Every single product that I mention in this video will be linked down below in the description box. So if you miss something or you want to know what I'm using, don't forget to check the description box. So for today's palette, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette, the big one. And I'm going into this mauve shade right here first. And I'm just applying this into my crease as my transition color, and I am focusing this on the outer half of my crease. And then once I have the majority of that pigment down, I'm doing circular motions inward to diffuse it and really have a nice blended crease. Next, I'm going into this darker mauve brown shade, and I'm going into it with an angled brush, and I'm just applying this just directly to the outer corner of my crease, just applying this line of definition. And once again, we're making that majority of that pigment more prominent on that outer edge because we are going to be adding most of our depth to that outer corner. And then I'm grabbing this bigger, fluffier, tapered brush, and I'm going back into the first shade that we went in with, and I'm just going in left to right motions over top of that line, and it's just going to give us a nice gradient and really blend those two shades together. And then I'm going into this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and I will be leaving the name of this product down below, and I'm just applying this all over my lid. And super shocking, I did not carve my lid or my crease in this tutorial. So I know a lot of you guys are always asking us to switch up our techniques, so I always try to keep that in mind. And then I'm going into this liner by Urban Decay in the shade Double Life. This is my favorite cream liner. It's just absolutely stunning. It's like a gold brown shimmery shade, so I'm literally just drawing a liner, and then I'm going back into that brown shadow with this angled brush, and I'm just packing that eyeshadow over top of that liner. It's just going to help everything stay in place, and it's going to make sure that it doesn't budge, and it just really makes it a little bit more pigmented as well. And then I felt like I wanted it to be a little bit more smoky, so I picked up this pencil brush and I went into a lighter brown shade in the palette, and I'm just going in left right motions over top of this line. And then if you feel like you kind of blended it a little bit too much, you can always go back into that Double Life liner and just redraw and make it a little bit more prominent. And then I just applied some concealer and translucent powder underneath my eye. And for today's lashes, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. These lashes are still in stock on the website, so if you guys want to check those out, link will be in the description box down below as well. And then I'm going into my Double Life liner once again in my waterline. I thought that it would look really pretty just to have it as a smoky liner and also in the waterline. And then I'm just going to be going into the same two shades that we applied in our crease. So first that light mauve shade and then the darker mauve brown shade just to the very outer edge of my lower lash line. And then mixing the two together with that smudger brush. Mascara, I picked up my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, which I have absolutely been loving. So I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went into my Pixie by Petra highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise, and I'm just popping that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, for those of you guys that are new subscribers, we do have a monthly giveaway. So at the end of every single month, you pick a brand new subscriber and we will send you a box of makeup. Of course, you have to be living in the US to be entered, just because shipping can get really expensive, and it's what we can afford right now is just to send within the US. So if you live in the US and you want to enter our monthly giveaway, go ahead and comment done down below. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure your post notifications are turned on, And thank you to every single person that enters every single month. We really appreciate you guys. The giveaway winner for the month of February is A Passion for Beauty 1. So thank you so much for supporting our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!